AC circuit containing only R. That is the R, this is the AC power supply, that is E बराबर E नॉट sin omega t और E बराबर E नॉट sin omega t और some books also given as V equal to V naught sin omega t. These all are three the voltage or potential of this AC power supply and R is this. Here this power supply alternating current is gives the current I which is passed through this and in this. Now we know the power supply containing E is equal to E naught sin omega. Here this is the E. E. Now we find out the value of current in the resistance when alternating power supply E is equal to E naught sin omega t is connected with this resistance. How much the current is take place in this resistance. Now from Ohm's law, that is V is equal to IR or E is equal to IR. So the whole potential of this power supply is dropped across this, and this is equal to V. Here I R is equal to E naught sin omega t, and here we take this like I is equal to E naught upon R sin omega t. Now I is equal to here like this one E upon R is equal to I. Here E naught is the peak value of the potential, this one E naught, and this is the E. Here E naught upon R is equal to I naught. This is the maximum value of current and represented it I naught. So this equation is given as I barabar I naught sin omega t. So here is current, this I is equal to I naught sin omega t here. Now from this discussion we have reached to a single point that I बराबर I naught sin omega t and E बराबर E naught sin omega, and this expression is represented like this one. Here is I, and here is E, and this E and I is represented by E naught, I naught, and this is here I barabar I naught sin omega t, and this is here E barabar E naught sin omega T here, E and I. Now here is omega T with time. This is the omega T. Now again it's represented as that is the I, and this is the E, this is the I naught, and this is the E naught. Here we put here omega T, this one and this one. Means in the circuit, when circuit contains R only, the value of I and E are in same phase. Means they are making the same angle with the x-axis. Here is I and the same angle here is E. This is the description for the resistance R in AC circuit. Okay.